So currently it's 10:45. Let's go ahead, set our highs and our lows. Okay, so at 10:30, so 70% chance we've seen the high or the low at this point, which means 68.28 on SPX, whatever that would equate to on MES or ES. It's not the major concern right now. The major concern is whether that 70% high or low is 68.28 or 68.07. We undercut the morning low, that 70% figure, on bars 13 and 14. Effectively, a very small fail breakout. That pushed us back up here to 68.16 to test that wedge resistance directly below the EMA. Bears step back in and are currently selling us back down here near this morning low again. So this right now will be the second attempt for bears to push below this bar 10 low. If you see here, this lower resistance, building a bit of a falling wedge from the gap down. And this is effectively an inverted head and shoulders, or a head and shoulders bottom. We could have taken the 68.10 short. As a pretty high probability for at least a scalp, with the risk of running a lower here, or I'm sorry, a higher low compared to bar 14 low, like we're kind of doing right now, is much higher. So bears might be a little hesitant to sell right here. Flush. I'll be interested in overshoots of this bear trend channel line. Notice here we got lots of overlap, lots of bars with tails. We're getting much closer to bar 18, or 90% bar. Not really interested in shorting. Alright, we got 1 minute here till 30 seconds until we get bar 18. And looks like bulls are trying to step in here. take a shot on it. Yep. Okay, let's go ahead and jump to MES. Let's go ahead and, did I get filled on that? Yep. Okay. No. I'm going to give it maybe 2 points. Futures. Take off its stop loss. Stop loss, we'll just do maybe, we'll give it a point. 30.29. Oh, there's looking stronger than I thought. Could always move the stop up to break even if we wanted, but especially after seeing that reaction there. Let's see. Let's give bulls a real chance here. Because remember, there's a 90% chance at that low holds. Or essentially 9% chance we've seen either the high or the low. And based on current trend, it is more likely that high holds. Because we've broken the trend line here. Technically, we want to see that back test. So we're a little early. Oh, see? Strong buying there into that. So is that either covering or bull's about to rip this? Come on. Here we go. Come on, push through. Let's see, what's volume looking like? Oh yeah, see, there we go. There's 40. Nice little winner there.